Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to save money or felt like budgeting is boring, today's video will change your mind. We're diving into unique savings challenge ideas that are not only fun, but also incredibly effective, especially if you're just getting started on your personal finance journey. And here's the best part. We've got one challenge toward the end that most people have never even heard of. But once you know it, it might just become your favorite way to save. So make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. The 52-Week Challenge. With a twist, you may have heard of the basic 52-week challenge. You save $1 in week 1, $2 in week 2, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have $378 saved. But here's the twist. Reverse it. Start by saving $52 in week 1, $51 in week 2, and keep going down. Why? Because motivation is highest at the start of a challenge. Front-loading your savings helps you stay committed and reduces stress around holiday seasons when money gets tight. Example, if you save $52 in January when you're motivated and maybe just got a bonus, you'll only be saving $1 in December, right? When holiday expenses hit. Number 2. The No-Spend Challenge. This one sounds intense, but it's super flexible. You choose a category, or even a full day, week, or month, where you spend nothing except for essentials. Example, a no-spend weekday challenge where from Monday to Friday you don't buy coffee, snacks, clothes, or takeout, just bills, rent, and groceries are allowed. You'll be surprised how much unnecessary spending you cut just by becoming aware of your habits. Even a weekend no-spend challenge can help reset your money mindset. Number 3. The Weather Savings Challenge. This one's fun and random, which keeps it interesting. Every week, check the highest temperature in your city. Whatever the number is, that's how much you save. Example, if the highest temperature this week is 33 degrees Celsius, you save $33. This works great with a weather app and adds a bit of unpredictability, which can keep you engaged. Plus, you never know. You might start hoping for mild summers and cool winters just to save less. Number 4. The $5 Bill Challenge. This is an old classic with a modern spin. Every time you get a $5 bill, you don't spend it. You stash it in a jar, envelope, or savings pouch. Example, after 2 months of casually saving $5 bills, some people find themselves with $200 or more without even noticing it. You can do the same with $1 coins, $10 bills, or even specific color notes depending on your country. Number 5. The Roundup Challenge. This one works best with digital banking. Every time you make a purchase, round up to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference into your savings. Example, buy a coffee for $3.25, round it up to $4 and stash the extra $0.75. Some apps and banks offer this as an automated feature. But you can also do it manually at the end of each day or week. Over a month, those small amounts build up faster than you expect, and you never feel the pinch. Number 6. The 100 Envelope Challenge. This one takes commitment, but it's also one of the most exciting savings games out there. You number 100 envelopes from 1 to 100. Each day, or each time you get paid, you pick one randomly and put that much money inside. Example, pick envelope 72, put $72 inside. Next time, maybe you pick 13. Put in $13. If you complete all 100 envelopes, you'll end up with $5,050 saved. You can also adapt it, maybe use 50 envelopes if that's more manageable. Number 7. The Alphabet Savings Challenge. This one's creative and educational. Write down the alphabet from A to Z. Each letter corresponds to an amount you decide ahead of time. For instance, A, 1, B, 2, up to Z, 26. Each week, pick a letter randomly and save that amount. Example, if you pull M, that's $13 to save that week. This works great for families and teaching kids about money too. Number 8. The 30-day spare change. Jar, this one is super simple and physical, which makes it easier for some beginners. Every day for 30 days, put all your spare change, coins or small bills, into a jar. No skipping days. Even a small amount counts. Example, you might drop in 0.85 one day and $3 the next. After a month, you could have $60 saved with almost no effort. It's not the amount. It's the habit you're building. Number 9. The Habit Stacking Savings Challenge. This one is perfect if you're working on your routines. Every time you do a positive habit, like going to the gym, drinking 8 glasses of water, or reading a book, you reward yourself by saving a small, fixed amount. Example, hit your water goal today? Save $2. Did your 15-minute walk? That's another $2 in the savings pot. This challenge turns healthy habits into a double win, better health and better finances. Number 10. The Color-Coded Savings Jar. You'll need different colored slips of paper, with random amounts written on them, maybe $1 to $50. Put them all in a jar. Each week, pull one out. Whatever the number is, you save it. Example, draw a green slip with 24s. Save $24 that week. You can even color code by difficulty. Green is easy, yellow is moderate, red is a stretch goal. Makes saving feel like a game you want to win. Number 11. The Weekly Pantry Challenge. Every week, challenge yourself to cook meals using only what you already have in your fridge, freezer, or pantry. Example, instead of shopping for new groceries, plan 3 to 4 meals from what's available. Save the amount you would have spent. This challenge is not just about saving money, it reduces waste and boosts your creativity in the kitchen. Number 12. The Subscription Audit Challenge. Here's one that saves you every single month going forward. Take a look at all your active subscriptions, streaming, fitness, apps, cloud storage. Cancel at least one. Example, cancel a $9.99 monthly app you barely use. That's nearly $120 saved a year. You can even challenge yourself to review one subscription each week and ask, do I really need this? Number 13, the Unexpected Income Challenge. Whenever you get money you weren't expecting, gift money, tax refunds, bonus at work, or even cash back, don't spend it. Instead, save a portion of it. The challenge is to decide in advance what percentage you'll save, like 50% or even 100%. Example, got a $60 birthday gift? Save $30 of it immediately. This challenge helps you build the mindset that not all extra money needs to be spent. And here's the one we promised at the beginning, the one most people don't know about. Number 14. The Dice Roll Challenge All. You need is a 6-sided die, or use a dice app on your phone. Every day or every week, roll the die. Whatever number you get, that's how much you save, times $1, $5, or $10, depending on your budget. Example, roll a 4 and you're playing the $5 version. Save $20 that round. You can even increase the stakes over time to keep it interesting. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people who never even think about saving money creatively. Just remember, saving doesn't have to feel like punishment. When you make it fun, you stick with it. And that's how real progress happens. So, which of these savings challenges are you going to try first? Or do you have one that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your creative ideas too.